Very good morning for all the boys and the girls. In the previous classes, I have completed the tense. For the finishing the tense, no doubt I took a 13 days time, 12 days time. So, I am very much sure that now you know the ins and the out of tense. Now I am here with the sentence. Now I am here with the sentence. Sentence is an important chapter. First, A, B, C, D, E, these are the characters. These are the characters. A is a character, C is a character, J is a character, X is a character, Y is a character, M is a character. When the so many characters join together, suppose I say cat, C is a character, A is a character and T is a character. Finally, it forms a word. Dog, D is a character, O is a character, G is a character. When three characters join, it makes dog. It makes dog. In the same manner, this is called word. Dog is a word, cat is a word. When a group of the words, when a group of words join together, when a group of the word join together, take example, cat is a lovely animal. Cat is a lovely animal. Means, as you know. So this is called sentence. So for being a sentence, there must be a four cardinal fact. The means of the cardinal is very chief, very important, central, primary, prime, means for making, for understanding sentence. There are four cardinal facts. Number one, the first character must be capital. The first character must be capital. Just example I have written here, Ram eats a mango. Here R is capital. The second must bear a sense. Ram eats a mango. Ram aam khata hai. There is definitely a sense. Grammatically well aligned, that must be grammatically fitted. Means here is subject, here is verb, here is object. Means this is the grammatically well aligned. And the fourth, sentence ends with the proper punctuation. Means when you formulated, when you crafted a sentence, the sentence ends with the proper punctuation marks. Means Ram eats a mango, again here full stop. Is it clear? Again I am making you very clear. When the group of the words joins together and give a definite sense, that is called sentence. Sentence having the four cardinal facts. First, there must be a first character of capital. Second, there must be a well aligned. Third, there must be a definite sense. And the fourth, the most important, the sentence ends with the proper punctuation marks. Here there are so many types of sentence. Here I will discuss number one, declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Declarative sentence or assertive sentence, both are the same things. Anything That is a sentence. Whatever comes in your mind, if you deliver from your mouth, that is called declarative sentence. Ram is a good word, that is a declarative sentence. Number 2, affirmative sentence. Give me some pain. Give me some pains. That is an example of affirmative sentence. Number 3, the negative sentence. He does not eat. He never went to Patna. You do not know the fact. I am not interested in this matter. These are the example of the negative sentence. Then after come interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Do you know I am here? Do you know I am a lecturer in the Motihari Engineering College? Does he eat mango? Then after come negative plus interrogative sentence. As I made you very much clear in your previous 12 classes. Just I am giving of example. You will not you go to Patna? That is example of the negative interrogative sentence. Could you not go to Patna? Then after interrogative plus negative sentence. Just I am giving an example. Do you not go to Patna? Are they not going to Patna? Then after come alternative sentence. Would you like to have the tea or a coffee? Would you go to Patna by train or by plane? Then after come operative sentence. Oh God, please make this world free from the COVID-19. Oh God, please give us a place so that place may be of peace. So these are the example. Today I discussed about the 8 example and also discussed the ins and the out of the sentence. Tomorrow again I will come and make you clear about it will be start from the 9, 10, 11, 12 and the 13, 14, 15, 16. The remaining class I will finish it tomorrow. In the meantime, we are again in a flux of a lockdown. So this is the opportunity for you. Study and study much, eat much, sleep much. Don't move out without any urgency, but respect your father and mother. Thank you very much.